Welcome to MoneyCademy, your go-to channel for making money online. If you're looking for a way to earn $2,000 every single day using nothing but a laptop and internet connection and ChatGPT AI bot, then you're in the right place. Laptop computer rocket. Yes, you heard it right. No investment needed, no complicated skills. Just smart AI-powered strategies that can generate real PayPal cash on autopilot. But here's the deal. If you want maximum results, you need to follow these steps carefully and stay until the end because I'll be sharing a secret bonus method to double your earnings. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. Step 1. Choosing the right method. ChatGPT is a game changer when it comes to making money online, but not all methods work the same way. That's why today, we're going to focus on 3 of the most proven and profitable ways to generate at least $2,000 per day if done right. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Selling AI-generated content, articles, ebooks, social media posts. 2. Offering ChatGPT-powered services, freelancing, copywriting, business writing. 3. Creating and selling AI-generated digital products, printables, guides, business plans. And remember, at the end of this video, I'll also share a bonus automation strategy that will help you make this passive and scalable. Step 2. Selling AI-generated content. First up, you can sell AI-generated content. And this is one of the easiest ways to start making money right away. Blog articles and SEO content, freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, ebooks and guides. Sell on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Social media captions and ad copy. Perfect for businesses and influencers. How to do it. 1. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a high-quality article on a trending topic. 2. Edit and format the content professionally using Grammarly and Hemingway Editor. 3. List your writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour and charge $50 to $200 per article. For if you sell just 10 articles per day, that's a minimum of $2,000 daily. Pro tip. The demand for SEO-optimized content is huge right now. If you learn how to add relevant keywords and optimize for Google rankings, you can double your income in no time. Step 3. Offering chat-powered services. The second method is offering AI-powered services. This is where you can leverage ChatGPT to provide valuable services to clients and get paid big money. Moneybag top ChatGPT-powered services to offer. Resume and cover letter writing. Charge $100 per resume. Email copywriting for businesses. Charge $50 to $200 per email sequence. Website content creation. Charge $500 plus per project. AI-generated script writing for YouTubers. Charge $150 plus per script. How to start. 1. Create a gig on Fiverr or Upwork, offering one of these services. 2. Use ChatGPT to generate content based on client needs. 3. Deliver professional work and collect instant payments through PayPal. Pro tip. Start with competitive pricing, get positive reviews, and then increase your rates as you gain more clients. Step 4. Creating and selling AI-generated products. Finally, let's talk about selling AI-generated products. This is one of the most profitable and scalable ways to use ChatGPT. Here's what you can create and sell. AI-generated ebooks and digital guides on Gumroad. AI-created printables, planners, journals, workbooks on Etsy. AI-generated business ideas and startup plans. How to do it. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate content for an ebook or guide. 2. Format the content with Canva or Adobe InDesign. 3. Sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Selfie for $10 to $50 per product. 4. If you sell 50 plus per day, that's an easy $2,000 plus profit. Lightbulb pro tip. Automate sales using platforms like Shopify or Gumroad, and let them handle payments, downloads, and customer management. Bonus method. Automating your income. Now, if you want to make this passive, let's talk about automation. This is the real secret to scaling your earnings without working extra hours. Here's how to automate your AI business. 1. Use ChatGPT to create bulk content in advance. 2. Hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork to edit and format content. 3. Use automation tools like Zapier and Canva Scheduler to manage orders. 4. Scale up with marketing. Run paid ads on Facebook or use SEO and Pinterest for organic traffic. Once this system is in place, it can run on autopilot, generating you $2,000 plus every single day. So, there you have it, 3 powerful ways to make $2,000 PayPal money every day using ChatGPT AI bot. Speech balloon, which method are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to MoneyCademy so you never miss out on new money-making strategies. Share this video with your friends who need extra cash. Until next time, keep hustling and keep winning.